Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, specifically this generation that you see here from year 2016 through year 2021. If you guys have one of those, you have a problem where, guys, you need to find the mirror fuses, guys, where your mirror fuse is located. You may have up to 2 fuses. They're hidden under a different name. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses relays from, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this Honda Civic, guys, we'll be making a video about every single fuse relay, guys, where to find them, why we make these videos. Because, guys, let's say you're in the middle of nowhere and your fuel pump fuse goes out. You have multiple fuses, by the way. By checking the video in less than a minute or two, you will be able to find out which fuse it is, replace it, get back on the road. Otherwise, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All these videos, we have more than 10,000 free repair videos and more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels. Check it out, we're here to save you money. And if you guys need to buy any special fuses, relays, you by the way have those special multi-box fuses right here, guys, and regular fuses and relays. That's what they look like. Okay, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays, parts for your Honda Civic at a really good price and quick shipping. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So now, guys, the mirror fuses, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on a 2017 Honda CR-V. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in one of them, and that fuse box is located on the inside, right there. On the driver's side, come to the driver's side, under the dash, above the pedals in the left corner. Look, guys, right there, up under the dash. You will see, when you're upside down, you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Specifically, guys, the mirror fuses. Okay, there is no specific fuse for a mirror fuse, but based on our experience, we notice on cars that there is no mirror fuse. Okay, either you don't have one and the function is built in the BCM, or you may need to check the fuses for the front left and front right power window, guys, specifically. And those are 2 fuses. Fuse number 15 here we'll need to check. Okay, this is for the front passenger window, and this is for the driver window. Fuse number 28. 15 and 28 will need to be checked. Sometimes that fuse for the front windows is the fuse for the fuses for the mirrors as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.